If you run a small business, like maybe you sell books, you sell electricals, or you deal with provisions, or you render services for money, such as you are a photographer, you are a plumber or electrician, or you are someone who just wants to keep your records professional, then you need receipts and invoices. But there is a good news. You don't need to be a designer or buy expensive software. In this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to use a free website to create invoices and receipts that looks clean, professional, and ready to send. So stick around. I'll also share some tips that make sure you don't miss important details to speed up your payments. This is Great Filippo, and if this happens to be your first time here, please hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like this video as well. Now let's get started. Okay, so open your browser, and this time I'm using Google Chrome. Once it opens, you're going to search for freeaiding.com. Okay, so the website is loading, so just give it some time. If you haven't subscribed, please use this opportunity to subscribe to this channel and also like this video as well. Once the website opens, let's scroll down and scroll down and scroll down once again until we get to invoices and receipts. Okay, so receipts generator is here and invoice generator is also here. Let's try the invoice generator first. So you will click on create invoice over here. Then you give it some time to load. Once it is done loading, it will open this page for you, and the first one is the appearance settings, how you want the invoice to look like. So you can set it to medium, or if you want large or extra large or even small. I prefer medium, so I'll just select medium. Then I'll go ahead to your company. That's the details about your company. So you will type your company name over here. So let me type Great Filippo Ventures over here. Then you type your address over here. So let me add my address. Let's say AKO-009. Then you go ahead and add your email also over here. So my email is my email have been added. Then I'll add my phone number also here. So I'll just type my phone number. Then you go ahead and choose your company's logo. So you click on choose file, this one. Then it will open your images for you. So just go ahead and select your logo. So let's assume this is my logo. So let me select it. Then once it is selected, you can see that it have been marked. Then you click on done, and the image will be uploaded. So let's write the client details over here. So let's say Ama Yehovah. Okay, so let's add the client's address also here. Okay, the client email also here. You can choose to ignore, but for the purpose of this video, let me add it. Okay, so invoice number, so that you can track it. So let me make it 124. Then you click on the blank space over here. Then you select your preferred date. Okay, click on set, and the date is here. So let's go and select invoice items. Okay, so you can add your description over here. Maybe you want to talk about the item or anything you want to write at the description, you can write. Then you go to quantity, which is the second one. Then you write the number of items the person is purchasing. Maybe you are selling, let's say you are selling cement, and the person is buying 50 bags of cement. You just type 50 over here. And the next one is price. So you are going to type the price of the item the person is purchasing over here. So let's assume the price of the person is purchasing 50 bags of cement, and the price of one cement is 100 cedis. So you are just going to type 100 over here. And then if there is tax on it, you type the percentage of the tax over here. And then if there is a discount too on it, maybe you have 2% discount, 50% discount, you type the percentage over here. So let's assume they are giving out 4% discount, and there is no tax on it, so it is 0. And if there is no discount on it, just type 0 over here, and you can see that it has calculated the price below here. And if you want to add other items too, so let's assume the person is purchasing maybe cement and iron rods. So let's add other items. Okay, so you can add the description here as we discussed earlier. The quantity, the number of iron rods the person is purchasing. So let's assume the person is purchasing 60 rods, so 60, and the price of one is, let's say, 50 cedis. You type it here. If there is tax on it, you type the percentage here, and if there is discount too on it, you type the percentage here. You can see that the total is here. Then you move down here and select your currency. So you tap on currency, then you select the currency. If your currency is not found in the list, just click on custom currency, the last one, custom currency. Then you're going to type the code over here. So let me type, okay, so my currency is cedis, so I'll just type cedis, and then you add the symbol of the cedis here. Let me just add this one. Then let's move down and you see the totals over here. So the subtotal is 8,000 cedis. So let's move down and select payment details. So you select the mode of payment. Maybe the person paid through bank transfer, credit card, PayPal, or cash. So maybe it is cash. So just select cash. Then the due date, you select your date. If it was supposed to be bank, you have provided the information over here. So let me select bank and see. Okay, bank. Then you go ahead and put the bank information over here, but this time it is cash, so you select cash. Then you move down to the terms and conditions, which is the last one. Okay, so the first one is payment. You just type your terms and condition over here. You can clear this one. Okay, now we are done with our invoice. So what is left is to make a printout. So if you want to preview your invoice, you can click the first one. If you want to export it as PDF, PNG, or you want to export it as JPEG, or even you are connected to a printer, so you want to print it now. So before that, let's preview the invoice. So let's click on preview invoice, and you can see that the details are here and looking very nice and accurate. So you just click on export as PDF or export as PNG and JPEG, any of them, any of your preferred formats. So let me choose export as JPEG. It have downloaded, so let me click on open, and the invoice is here, free of charge. Now let's try how you are going to generate our free receipt. So you visit the website again, freeaiding.com. Then you click on go, and the website is loading once again. So just give it some time to load. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like this video as well. Okay, the website have opened, so let's scroll down once again, and the receipt generator is here. So just click on generate now, and sometimes an ad will pop up, so just click on the close button over here to end it. Okay, let's give it some time. Okay, now let's move down and then make our changes. Okay, so it's the top here, it is receipt generator. So the first one is choose file, which is our logo, the logo of your store. So just click on choose file, then you select your logo once again. So let me select my logo. Then you have seen that it have marked, so I'll just click on done, and the image have been uploaded. So the name of your store, so let's say Great Filippo Enterprise. Okay, so the store address, you can choose to ignore it. So AKO-009. Okay, so the currency, okay, mine is cedis, and you add your tax percentage over here. If there is no tax, just type 0, and then served by, the one who served, you are going to add your name here. So let me use Greater OP. Okay, then you are going to add the dates over here. So just click on the drop down arrow, then you choose the date. Okay, once the date is set, you're going to move down and type the name of the item. So item name, you type maybe cement. Then you type the quantity also over here, so maybe 50 bucks. So you type 50, and then you type the price. So the price of one cement is, let's say, 100 cedis. And if you want to add other items too, you can add. So let me add other items. So add, you click on add item, and you can see that another column have been added. So just type item name. So you'll say iron rod, and the quantity is, let's say, 20, and the price of one is, let's say, 50 cedis. Then once you are done, you can add more items. If you are, the person is buying even 100 items, you can just go ahead and add them. Once you are done, just click on generate receipt and give it some time, and the receipt is here, and it will even give you a QR code. So once it is scanned, you will see this receipt. So the receipt have been generated. If you are connected to printer, just click on print receipts, or you can better still you can choose to download it as PDF or PNG. So let me download as PNG. Then okay, so it is downloading, and downloading have been completed. So let me click on open, and the receipt is here looking very amazing. Before you leave, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like this video as well. Until we meet again.